Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the full summary of The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. As its name defines itself about the content of the book. Here you are going to understand about the money matters. Housel argues that financial success is not just about knowledge, but also about behavior and mindset. He shares 19 short stories that illustrate key psychological principles related to money. Chapter 1, No One's Crazy. Financial decisions are driven by psychology, not logic. People's financial behaviors are shaped by their individual experiences and perspectives. In this chapter, the writer shares a story of Bill Gates that how he was lucky to got admitted in a school which have a computer. And it also share the story of his close friend who was more intelligent than Bill Gates, but unluckily he died while he was hiking a mountain. Tarankan Chapter 2, The Greatest Show on Earth. Financial markets can be unpredictable and irrational. Investing is a game of probabilities, not certainties. Tarankan Chapter 3, Wealth is what you don't see. True wealth is not about conspicuous consumption, but about saving and investing for the future. Living below your means is key to building wealth. Tarankan Chapter 4, Luck and Risk. Chance events can impact financial success. Managing risk and uncertainty is crucial in financial decisions. Tarankan Chapter 5, The Power of Long-Term Thinking. Long-term thinking is essential in finance. Short-term thinking can lead to poor financial decisions. Tarankan Chapter 6, Avoiding Financial Pitfalls. Common financial pitfalls include debt, get-rich-quick schemes, and emotional decision-making. Financial discipline and responsibility are essential. Tarankan Chapter 7, Tails, You Win. Financial success often requires taking calculated risks. Managing risk and uncertainty is key. Tarankan Chapter 8, Freedom. Financial freedom is the ultimate goal. It's not just about money, but about having options and flexibility. Tarankan Chapter 9, Man in the Car Paradox. People's perceptions of wealth and status can be misleading. True wealth is not about material possessions. Tarankan Chapter 10, Wealth is what you don't see. Reiterates the importance of saving and investing for the future. Living below your means is key to building wealth. Tarankan Chapter 11, Save like a pessimist. Saving is essential in uncertain times. It's better to err on the side of caution. Tarankan Chapter 12, Reasonable Rational. Financial decisions often involve trade-offs. Reasonable decisions may not always be rational. Tarankan Chapter 13, Surprise Party. Unexpected events can impact financial success. Managing risk and uncertainty is crucial. Tarankan Chapter 14, When You'll Believe Anything. People's beliefs and biases can impact financial decisions. Critical thinking is essential. Tarankan Chapter 15, The Siren Song of Panic. Fear and panic can lead to poor financial decisions. Staying calm and rational is key. Tarankan Chapter 16, Room for Error. Leaving room for error is essential in financial decisions. Managing risk and uncertainty is crucial. Tarankan Chapter 17, You'll Change. People's financial goals and priorities can change over time. Flexibility and adaptability are essential. Tarankan Chapter 18, Nothing's free. Everything has a cost, even if it's not immediately apparent. Considering opportunity costs is essential. Tarankan Chapter 19, You or Me. Financial success is not just about individual effort, but also about relationships and support. Please note that this summary is a detailed outline, but it's not a replacement for reading the book itself. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks friends.